Marwan from France.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I am planning to start a cleaning business and I want it to be fully halal, but I have some scenarios that make me doubt. So I just list some of them in a short manner so that you can answer. It's like cleaning cars for women who don't wear hijab and they might go out.
Okay, I
Or
can
cleaning
answer you. I
sofas.
can answer you one question at a time, yeah, Marwan. I cannot listen to all of your listed questions. So, washing a car for a woman that does not wear the hijab is like washing the car for a man who shaves his beard, or for a person who's this or that. This is not assisting them on their original sin. So, a woman not wearing the hijab, a man who shaves his beard, these are sins, but I'm not giving a woman perfume to put on when she goes out, and I'm not giving the man a razor to shave or a aftershave cologne to use after shaving. I'm cleaning their car. So this is totally separate.